What is going on, gangsters? It is Gangsta Gamer here, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. And this game is called Will You Press the Button? And I've been getting requests to try this game, so let's start it. You will get famous and everybody likes you, but you will never find love. I want to be famous, but I also want to find love, so I will not press that. Next. You get the car of your dreams, but it can never leave your driveway. No, I don't want to do that. Dang it. Alright, so there's going to be a couple ads, but there's going to be a couple of ads. So, alright, so you never have to do math again. Every time you see a calculator, you have to write 3 pages of essay. No, I don't want to do that at all. Alright. Any and every wish you have is granted without any consequences. Upon pressing the button, time will reverse to a few minutes. Yeah. I'll do that. You can have everything you desire, but you have to put it together yourself. And yeah, I'll do that. That's not too terribly bad. You can do whatever you want without getting in trouble. The next person you presses this button will hunt you down and kill you. No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die today. Help me. You'll receive $20. You will never be able to use this website again. All right. I mean, 20 free bucks. I don't have to use. Pay me not to use this website again, but okay. You will get any car you want on the market plus maintenance. Only you can sit in the car while driving it, and it is only car you can ever own. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, guys. I'll go ahead and press the button. Why not? Change physical appearance at will. 100,000 people got infertile. I don't know what infertile is, but okay. You can have any superhero power, but you first have to use it on a bus filled with senior citizens. No! Respect your senior citizens! I will not press that button. You can time travel at will to any point in time. You will always end up at least the least interesting location for that period of time. Yes, because I get to travel anywhere I desire. A new gaming console is created that is perfect in every way and free to you. You will never be able to use any other device with internet access. Okay. All right. I'll use it. Alright, guys, this is going to be the last one. Will I press the button? Nintendo will go on to create cell phones that are superior to other phones. But Mario games, Zelda games, and the major franchises will stop being made. Okay. I will press the button because I never really played Mario, but I do know what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and until my next video, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace!